Are you tired of settling for mediocre quality when it comes to your basic wardrobe essentials? Look no further than PhilippinesBrands.com for all your plain t-shirt needs. Our collection of plain t-shirts comes in a variety of colors to suit every style and preference. But what sets us apart from the rest is our commitment to using only the highest quality fabrics. We believe that every piece of clothing should not only look good, but also feel good to wear. That's why we source only premium quality materials to ensure that our t-shirts are not only durable, but also comfortable to wear all day long. When you shop at PhilippinesBrands.com, you can rest assured that you are getting the best value for your money. Our plain t-shirts are not only affordable, but also long-lasting, making them a smart investment for your wardrobe. Whether you're looking for a classic white t-shirt or a bold statement color, we have something for everyone. Don't settle for cheap, low-quality t-shirts that lose their shape and color after just a few washes. Invest in a plain t-shirt from PhilippinesBrands.com and experience the difference that quality makes. Our t-shirts are designed to stand the test of time, so you can enjoy them for years to come. So why wait? Upgrade your wardrobe today with a plain t-shirt from PhilippinesBrands.com. With our wide range of colors, high-quality fabrics, and premium quality, you'll never want to shop anywhere else for your basic wardrobe essentials. Shop now and experience the difference for yourself.